fart smeller. Nemu. Toy boat, toy boat, toy boat. Wait, don't I need to like... I need to put out the fire. Meg, love the gas. Love it. What? What? You're both? What do you mean you're both? What an insane thing to say. What a crazy thing to say. Oh, it's Family Guy. That explains it. I don't watch Family Guy or Simpsons. I don't watch The Symptoms. Do you watch The Symptoms? Well, if you watch the show The Symptoms, you're dumb. Mo, I love your new mild crest. Hope stream is going great. Stream has been fantastic. It's been great, thank you. Oh my god! Die, criminal scum! Oh my god, oh my god! Mr. President! Madam President! Madam President! Yo, Link, hello! Not the in-game Link, but... you know. Get away from my wagon! Get away from my fucking wagon. How's the gaming going? We pretty well just started. We basically just started. How you doing, Link? Oh, they pushed Epona in. Okay. What is Epona doing? What's happening? Oh my god. Yeah, no, we got a lot of hours. We got a fuck ton of hours. So many. Yeah, no, we yap. Dude, I can't believe it's only been 2 hours and 40 minutes. I literally thought we've been going for like 4 hours. It's crazy. I don't think the timer's wrong. I think the sub count's wrong. I guess the timer probably... I don't fucking know. We did. We yapped and drooled on the front panel. Bubbies. Almost 3 hours and we were so far into the goals. Dude, we have so many. We have so many done already. I literally can't believe it. I literally can't believe it. I think we're at like 356 right now. I think the real count is 356. So we need 50 more for Archipelago. Hey, Red. Hi, welcome in. How you doing? Good to see you. It's Link. That is Link. 356. I think that's where we're at right now. That's what Twitch says. That's what Twitch says. But Twitch is also delayed, so I don't know. Well, yo, Yoongly, thank you for the follow. Do not give 50 subs. Do not pass go. Do not collect $200. Thank you for the translove. Don't fucking do it. Or do it. You know what? Actually do it. Actually do it. Give 6-7 subs. Give 6-7 subs. Do it, yeah. Press, can I have luck to get this game item I've been trying to get? This is me giving you luck. Good luck. You got this. You're gonna get it. Oh my god, Brutus! Thank you for gifting a sub to 6-7. Thank you so much. I didn't specify. I didn't specify. I guess you're right. I guess you're right, yeah. That's crazy, dog. Welcome into 6-7. Yeah, that's right. That's John 6-7. That's John 6-7. You know what? You know what probably sucks right now? People who are 6'7" are probably suffering right now. Because I guarantee somebody that's that tall is getting asked how tall they are. Constantly, right? And if they're just like, I'm 6'7", people are gonna be like,